Good morning, students. Hope you all are well at home. Students, in GK, today we are going to do new topics, chapter number 10 and chapter number 11 from your GK book. Explore. Let's start. And the name of the topic is Monuments of India. Yes, children, there are many monuments in India. Today we are discuss few monuments of our country. Let's start. Do you know which picture is this? Okay, before starting this, can you tell me the meaning of monuments? Monuments are the historical buildings. Now, can you tell me which picture is this? Any guess? Yes, it is Taj Mahal, most beautiful building in the world. Taj Mahal is located in the city of Agra and it is built by Shah Jahan for his beloved Mumtaz. Yes, children, tell me where it is located. Right, it is located in Agra. And who built it? Shah Jahan. Next, this is Red Fort. Do you know where is Red Fort? Where Red Fort is located? Red Fort is located in Delhi and it was built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. It is a World Heritage Site. Yes, where Red Fort is located? Right, Delhi. Yes, which picture is this? Which monument is this? Hawa Mahal. Hawa Mahal is located in Jaipur and it was built by Maharaja Swai Pratap Singh. Who built this? Yes, Maharaja Swai Pratap Singh. And where it is located? Right, in Jaipur. It is also called as Wind Palace. Yes, this building, this monument, do you know? Lotus Temple. Lotus Temple is located at Kalkaji in New Delhi. As lotus is symbol of peace, love, purity, it is designed in the shape of lotus. Yes, children, where it is located? Lotus Temple is located in New Delhi. Next, this is a picture of, this is Charminar. Right, Charminar. Here you can see 4 minars are there. Charminar is a mosque in Hyderabad. It was built by Muhammad Ali Qutb Shahi. Where it is located? In Hyderabad. It is the most popular building in Hyderabad. Everyone know this building, this monument? Yes? Yes, this is our India Gate. It is one of the largest war memorial in India and it is located in Delhi. The Ark of India Gate houses a shrine inside which is the ever burning Amar Jawan Jyoti. Here Amar Jawan Jyoti is burning. Yes, which monument is this? Yes, India Gate. And where it is located? Right, in Delhi. Now it is time to do chapter 10, Monuments of India. Look at the pictures of the famous monuments of India. Circle the correct name of the monument. Yes, identify Which monument is this? Yes, right, Taj Mahal. It is located in Agra. Right. Next, which monument is this? Red Fort. Very good. It is located in right, Delhi. Next monument is Hawa Mahal. And where it is located? It is located in Jaipur. Lotus Temple. It is in New Delhi, right. And which monument is this? Charminar. It is located in think, right, Hyderabad. And this monument, India Gate, and it is also located in Delhi. So children, I hope you all understood monuments of India. Now we are going to now understand chapter number 11, and the name of the chapter is I Am Big. Animals take many shapes and forms, whether you measure in terms of weight, height, or length. So let's start. Do you know which animal is this? Yes, an elephant. It is the biggest animal on the earth. Which is the biggest animal on the earth? Right, elephant. It has long trunk and it lives in the dense forest. Yes, which animal is this? Brown bear. Brown bear is most widely distributed in the world. They are more powerful. They live in mountains. Yes, students, where they live? They live in mountains. Yes, it is hippopotamus. Hippopotamus is considered the third largest land animal after rhinoceros and an elephant. Yes, which is the third largest land animal? Yes, your answer is right, hippopotamus. And this? Yes, blue whale. Right? Underwater, the largest living fish is 40 feet long, is blue whale, and it present in tropical seas. Where it lives? Underwater. Yes, this animal, it is rhinoceros. Rhinoceros are large herbivorous mammals identified by their horned snout. How they identified? By their horned snouts. Can you guess which animal is this? Yes, it is the tallest living animal on the earth. Can you tell? Yes, it is giraffe. Its neck is 6 feet tall. Now it's time to do chapter 11. I am big. Look at the pictures given below. These are some of the biggest animals on the earth. Write the names of the animals choosing from the help desk. Here it is help desk. Rhinoceros, blue whale, hippopotamus, elephant, bear, giraffe. So let's do. Which animal is this? Elephant. This? Yes. Tell. Tallest living animal? Giraffe. This? Bear. And this one? Hippopotamus. This, students? Blue whale. And this? Rhinoceros. So children, I hope you understood these two chapters very well, and we will continue chapter 12 in next video. Thank you.